Hey guys, Ed here, and today we have this 2011 Subaru Tribeca, and in this video I'd like to show you how to replace your rear taillight bulbs. So let's start. So I'll show you on this side, on these two lights. So first we're gonna open the trunk, and let's start with this one right here. For this procedure we're gonna need a flathead screwdriver. For some reason this thing is very stretched in this car. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put our screwdriver in here and open this lid. Then we have access to our bulbs. So here are the bulbs, 1 and 2. So to remove the bulb, you grab it with your hand and you spin it. So here's our bulb. I don't know, this bulb looks dark to me. Alright, so to remove the bulb, you can either press here. So you press here and pull off the bulb, or, well, that's the bulb and the housing, or you can just grab on a bulb and pull it out. So it depends what kind of bulb you're gonna buy at the parts store. When you have a replacement one, replace it, then swipe it back in and find the correct position. When it's in the correct position, just spin it till it's nice and solid. Alright, same thing here. Here you go, have the bulb. If you need to remove it, same way like the previous one. Okay, make sure it's nice and solid. Okay, once you're done, take the cover, put it in with this way first, and then just click. All right, so I got it in. The thing is, the clips are broken, now it holds. Same thing is here with this thing. Again, for some reason they are loose. Same thing, open this thing, put the screwdriver in, open it up, replace bulbs. A little bit different stories with this taillight. If you have to change bulb in it, what you have to do again, grab screwdriver, remove these two caps, don't rush, little by little, because you might scratch the plastic. Here we have two screws, so we can we have to get either 10mm socket with a ratchet or Phillips screwdriver. So I'm gonna try screwdriver first. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. No. Okay, so get these two screws out. Okay, I found that easier is the 10mm ratchet with the socket. Get these bolts out, put them here. Now we have to wiggle out the light. The trick is there are clips holding the light down. So what you have to do, you have to grab the light with two hands and pull to yourself, towards you. That's how we get it out. So make sure it wiggles. Once it wiggles, just take here and don't try to open it this way. Okay, if you're gonna try to open it this way, you're gonna break clips. So try just to wiggle, to pull to yourself here. I'm gonna try to do this now. Hope you guys can see stuff. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, there are clips here, and these two pins go inside, and you can't really go this way because you're gonna break this plastic. The light's gonna wiggle. It's not gonna stay in there. Some garbage. Okay, so here we have connectors to our bulbs. Spin it, get it out. If you have to replace the bulb, you do it this way. Well, camera here. So to get the bulb out, actually you want to use some gloves or something, but I'll show you this way. So you press on the bulb, you press on it and spin, and that's how it comes out. Then you press on it, spin back, that's how it holds. Okay, hope you guys can see with it. Again, spin, get it out, get it in, spin, it's out, it's in. Now when you replace the bulb, again you can go to parts store and get the bulb. Just wiggle the bulb in and click it, that's it. Same story here. Okay, so it's the same story. That's it. Once you're done, just make sure you get these two pins in here. Once you're aligned, just tap on the light. Make sure everything is nice and solid. Good. After that, put back two bolts we took out from here and here. If this thing is not aligned, it means the light is not positioned correctly. So make sure you do it the right way. And so if it's aligned, you're all set. Put the screws back in, then put the caps, and you're all set. So guys, that's it. If it helps, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.